Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. We have a rectangle. The length of a pair of opposite sides is 17. And the length of the other pair of opposite sides is shorter than 28. The length of the line segment in the figure doesn't reflect the real proportion. 4 straight lines divide this rectangle into 9 small rectangles. The side length of each small rectangle is an integer, and not shorter than 4. The small rectangle in the very middle is actually a square. The areas of the two small rectangles are known as 50 and 72 respectively. Then, what are the areas of the other small rectangles? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. The length of each side is an integer, clearly tells us that this is a factoring problem. Let's start by factorizing 50. Which equals 2 times 5 times 5. Because the length of each side is not shorter than 4, we need to write 50 as the product of two integers which are not smaller than 4. So it can only be 10 and 5. Again, because the length of each side is not shorter than 4, the summation of the heights of the top two rows is not shorter than 8. Then the height of the rectangle in the third row is not longer than 17 minus 8, which is equal to 9. So this height cannot be 10. But only 5. The summation of the heights of the top two rows is then 12. The width of this rectangle is 10. The summation of the widths of the right two columns is therefore shorter than 28 minus 10, which equals 18. Let's then factorize 72 in the same way, that is, into two factors, each of which cannot be smaller than 4. So it could be 4 and 18, or 6 and 12, or 8 and 9. The rectangle in the middle is a square, with identical width and height. This means that the summation of the widths of the right two columns is the same as the summation of the width and height of this rectangle with the area 72. This summation cannot be shorter than 18. 4 plus 18 equals 22. 6 plus 12 equals 18. 8 plus 9 equals 17. So only 8 and 9 fulfill the requirements. Let's go back to the summation of the heights of the top two rows is equal to 12. The height of the first row is not shorter than 4, so the height of the second row is not longer than 8. So it can't be 9, but only 8. The height of the first row is therefore 4. The widths of the right two columns are 8 and 9 respectively. With the width and height of each rectangle, it is easy to find their areas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.